Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
This is probably the most important video in this course, and I want you to always remember this. Always do this. You always need to under-promise and over-deliver. Always. This is extremely important, and I'll go over in this video why and how you can do it. But never forget it. This is the most important thing you'll learn here, or one of the most, I guess. Always under-promise and over-deliver. So let's move on to the theory. And this is a lot of text, but I want to go through it with you one by one. So, like I said, if you take just one thing from this course, it's that you should always under-promise and over-deliver. Because people absolutely love this. Think about it. When you go to a car wash, for example, and they wash it and give you a car detail for free, or when you go to the cinema and, for example, maybe they'll get you free popcorn. Think about the times in your life that you thought you got more than what you were expecting. How did that make you feel? It made you feel for sure happy or content with the service and the delivery. And this happens all the time. So if you're expecting to be given something and you receive that something plus some more, you'll feel happy. Even if you're not going to use the other product or the other service you got for free, you'll feel happy because you feel that you got more than what you paid for. You got more than what you deserved. And the good thing of always under-promising and over-delivering is that people then are more inclined to leave reviews and come back to your services. And we'll have a video just right here on how to get more reviews. But in regards to this under-promising and over-deliver concept, people are never ever expecting to get more than what they think they're entitled to. So you'll always catch them off guard, which is great, and that's what you want to do. And what do I mean by this exactly in a actual example? So say you're selling a logo design and you are selling for, I don't know, $20 a logo concept. And on your delivery, you deliver 2 logo concepts. So the person will think, well, wait a minute, I just paid $20 for 2 logo concepts. I was thinking I was paying $20 for one, so I get one for free. That's amazing. Even if I don't like the other one that the guy sent me, just the fact that he worked on it and did that extra work to please me, and that's exactly the type of emotion you want to convey in people. Here's another example. Say again, you always promise a 1 logo concept, but on your delivery, you deliver that 1 logo concept plus a black and white version or a vector version. Or for example, another example is you deliver a branding advice, so a course or a short video on branding. And this can be something really simple. You can record a Loom video that you can send all the clients that you send deliveries for. So you don't always have to have the work to record a Loom video specific to each client. You just can record one and record general branding advice, or generic branding advice, and send it out to the clients with the delivery. Or for example, you delivered your logo concept you promised plus a branding cheat sheet or an ebook on branding. So I think you get more or less the gist here. So here's another example for SEO. For example, say you are selling and you promise, so this is the promise column, this is the delivery column, you promise 10 high authority backlinks, but then you deliver 20. Again, same thing here. So the person will think, so I just paid $20 for 10 links and he got me 20. That's amazing. I got 10 links for free. I feel happy. I feel content. I like this guy. Or you deliver those same 10s, but then you deliver an ebook on link building, teaching them how to link build. Or you deliver the 10 links plus a free website audit. And if you watch the previous videos, which I hope you did, on my delivery message, I have the welcoming and whatever, and then the delivery link, or they're attached. And then I have a free stuff section, which is where I include all of these, the ebooks, the free training, the extras, other links if I have them. So I'm always over delivering Always, always, always. So under promising and over delivering. It's really important because people will feel happy, and happy clients are returning clients, and that's what you want to do. So like I was saying here, in regards to these branding cheat sheets or these ebooks or this branding advice, you don't necessarily need to have more work. You can give them a virtual product, and I'll show you my example, which again I already showed you I think a couple of videos ago. But if you go here to my delivery message, I have here a free link building tactics ebook, which I'll just open right now. And I did this just one time. It took me like 2 or 3 hours to make. I spent 3 hours to make, and now I send it with every delivery. Okay, a bunch of link building tutorials. Okay, and also link them back to my rant. So I'm giving them more than what they paid for, and that's what you want to do. You always want to under promise and over deliver. Really, really important. You can take some examples from here and others from here if you do SEO or graphic design, but you can apply these to any niche basically, and that's how you do it. Again, in the next video I'll be covering how to get more reviews, because it ties in with this, because I can almost assure you that if you under promise and over deliver, the amount of people leaving reviews will be much, much higher. Because if you just promise a one logo concept and deliver a one logo concept, people will see, okay, that's exactly what I paid for, thank you so much, goodbye. But if you promise less than what you deliver, so under promising and over delivering, people will be much more inclined to leave reviews. And that's what we'll be talking about in this next video. So I'll see you then.